Hello, I'm Shari. Welcome to my channel. Today I just got to do this really quick unboxing. I got the nephews on their way here. They should be pulling up actually, like soon. So I better hurry up and get this done. I got my Boxy Premium, and this is my first premium. My first Boxycharm Premium. Ooh, box, it's the blue one. That's what I see everyone pointing out. I wouldn't have even noticed. To tell you the truth. Got this little card, super cute card. It says adore, so that must be the theme of the month. I would take it. I always forget to do what version I get. Version 21 right there. Open it up, you get your products, and then this is upgrade to March Luxe. These must be spoilers I'm taking. I hope I get this. I love skincare, and I would just, oh my god, I would love that. In the back here, Boxy Pop-Up. I was so bad for Boxy Pop-Up. I did some damage. I'm actually very disappointed in myself. Anyway, okay, so the first thing, I'm just gonna go down the line. We have the first is the Sutra Beauty Ceramic Flat Iron. Look at that, baby. The magnetized ceramic plates deliver consistent heat along the entire length of the plates for silky smooth hair and the finest results. Ceramic flat iron generates negative ions to combat the dryness and frizz created by the positive ions in the air and hair. And this is marked as $79.99. I used this once, and I freaking loved it. Like, I swear I used it one day and I just like straightened all my hair, and I swear my hair stayed smooth and silky feeling for 2 days straight. I swear. This is like, oh my god, it's like magical. I never was into straightening my hair. I always thought I had straight hair, but over the years my hair has gotten so frizzy, you know. And so this, you know, I just heated it up. And I watched this one hair lady. I don't know if she does hair, professionally hair. And she said don't ever heat your this thing here where you can put the heat up. And I'm keeping mine at 140. I know it shows you can go way up to 450. And she said that you do not need to even go up to 200 because you're damaging your hair there. For less damage, keep it at whatever. And I kept mine right at 140, and that's the lowest it goes. So I would say stick to, you know, be careful, don't turn it all the way up and burn your hair. You know, you don't want to fry your hair out for sure. So yeah, there's that. Which I love, and like I said, I'm not into hair, but that's so easy, you know. And also I seen another person who used it as a curling iron. Like, she just grabbed a piece of her hair and she went like that, and I don't know how she did it, but it made a nice little curl. I think that was Becca from Becca's Beauty. I'm not sure. The next thing we have on the list is Glow Recipe. I'm so excited. I'm so happy I got this. Like, I've seen everyone else opening theirs up. You know, months back when they first put this through Boxycharm. I'm pretty sure this is a repeat product, right? Because I remember seeing so many people using it, and I just felt so like, oh my god, I love watermelon. But I'm so happy I freaking got it, man. Look at it, it's so cute. Cutest little packaging. And feels so good. Smells like freaking watermelon. Really sweet though. Really sweet smell. I like it. It says Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Immerse skin into a hydrating mist so ultra fine and delicate it envelops your skin like a dreamy morning fog. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Immerse skin into a hydrating mist so ultra fine and delicate it envelops your skin like a dreamy morning fog. This formula is packed with a juicy blend of 84% watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus AHAs to refresh skin and enhance makeup. So there is that product, and it's marked at $28. I think that's a pretty good deal, $28, but it is a small bottle, you know. So the next thing I have on my list is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. Discover a new way to blush. This groundbreaking hybrid combines the customized lighting effects of ambient lighting powder with a spectrum of breathtakingly modern hues to result in seamless, soft focus and multi-dimensional color. MSRP is $40, so it's a $40 product. And I got mine in, I don't know, it says Dim Infusion. Cutest packaging ever. Look at that. So pretty. Little mirror. Nice little mirror in there. There it is. Dim Infusion. Dim Infusion. I don't really see a sheen. Or do I? I really don't see a sheen in there. Like, you know, I always thought ambient lighting stuff was supposed to show a really, you know, beautiful sheen, like a lit from within sheen. So I don't know. But I suppose, you know, try some makeup and put it on over my makeup. Maybe then it'll show up, but I will use that coming up. The next thing I see, which I'm excited for, I was just doing my skincare. I did my serums, my eye creams, and then I was like, man, I gotta go open that up. I gotta do that unboxing so I can open it up. But it's called the Basha, I think it's Basha, F-A-C-C-I-A, Basha Skincare 24 Karat Gold Foil Moisturizer. And it says the 24 Karat Gold Foil Moisturizing Cream helps dry areas disappear without leaving behind a greasy residue. Its unique formula helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while firming, tightening, and locking moisture into the skin. And guess how much this cost? Higher. $100. $100 for this. So let's see what the fuss is all about. Basha Skincare. It says directions: massage a small amount over face and neck until fully absorbed. For best results, use morning and night. Suitable for all skin types. Alright. Wow. Whoa. Dang, that's beautiful. Looky, looky. It's kind of... It's a weird looking packaging, huh? I mean, the top of it goes up like that. I can see myself in there. And it's glass, right? Yeah, this is glass. Definitely glass. And it actually leaking a little bit up here, though. But I mean, whatever. Okay. Maybe it's so full it's leaking. I don't know. Whoa. Oh, cool. See, look at. You see the little flecks of gold there? Kind of goopy. Doesn't smell like anything, no scent, so that's a good thing. I know people like, there's a lot of people that like the scents, but just so you know, when skincare is scented, it kind of takes the benefits of it away because scents are not really good for your skin. And a lot of people don't realize that, but when I smell nothing, I think that, you know, that makes me feel better about the skincare itself, because skincare is not supposed to be scented. It's supposed to be healthy, beneficial for your skin, and when they add the scents, that kind of takes, you know, takes the whole meaning away. Like, I want skincare that's going to be good and healthy for my skin, not that. And I should pay more attention. Ingredients will tell you a lot. Like, I watch a lot of, like, Jen Loves Reviews, and I used to watch a lot of Stephanie Nicole. She don't upload as much anymore, but I watched her for years. Stephanie Nicole, she's amazing. Still go back. It's kind of sticky. It's supposed to be really good underneath makeup. It feels sticky, but it feels comfortable, you know? Like, Yeah, see, it would. My hair's definitely will get caught in there, but I suppose after it'll take a minute to soak up into your skin, so the stick should go away. You would think, right? We'll see. But yeah, there's that $100 product. This is what I should have used yesterday for Valentine's Day. I should have treated myself to some of this golden moisturizer. I'm a weirdo. I just skincare takes time. You know, it takes time to even notice a difference or a change. I would say if you're gonna start getting into skincare, take a picture of your face, like of all your sun damage. Because now, like, I'll look back and I'll kind of look at a picture or something and we're like, dang, my sunspots really did go down. Like, see these spots on my forehead? That's all sun damage. Next, we got the Tarte Cosmetics Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. That's cute. Prep yourself before you perfect yourself. That's what it says. Turn up the base with this vegan coconut priming serum that hydrates your skin for 12 hours. This rich yet lightweight makeup magnet is infused with a blend of coconut and botanicals to help nourish and smooth skin's appearance. And it says $30. $30 primer. It's the Double Duty Beauty Base Hydrating Primer. Let's see how it smells. I would rather it have no scent, but yeah, there's a scent there. It's really a light, very light scent, you know. But now I just wanted to do this and I wanted to share. So there is that, baby. And then we have the Korres Body Butter. It says this rich and luxurious body butter deeply softens, smooths, and nourishes the skin. Our shea butter moisturizer is the perfect lotion for skin, helping to improve elasticity and smoothness. $32. Look how big that is. That's body butter. So a body lotion. And I am going to... It smells so good because I smelled this before. Of course, you know me. I can't help myself. I got mine in violet. It says violet. Korres body butter. Smells so good. To me, it smells like honeysuckles. You ever tasted a honeysuckle? I used to eat them things when I was a kid. Honeysuckles, the little flowers. Yeah, we used to find them and suck the tips of them, the honey. Smells so good. Feels so good. It feels like a body butter. You know, just like it says, body butter. That's exactly how it feels. Just like a body butter. I love it. $32. Pretty big, you know. Hopefully this will last me for a while. Alright, so yeah. $32 was $30. This is $100. This was $40. Was $28. And this bad boy is $79.99. And I will add up everything, and however much my box came up to. And yeah, that's my box. I just want to come up here and share that with you guys. Show you what I got. I'm very, very, very pleased with this box. $35 premium. I love it. I wasn't too excited about my base box, but I did really like the stuff. I've been using them. I've been using those skin pads. I've been using the makeup wipes to take my makeup off at night. I like them. I really do like them. But yeah, I would say, yeah, I'm very pleased with my first premium. So yeah. Everyone have a blessed rest of your day, wherever you are. I hope you all had a very beautiful Valentine's Day. Mom! Self-love, self-care is Mom! Where it's at. We gotta love ourselves too, because they love us, right? Hi. You know, you got your eye. Alright, say bye. Bye. See you.